has it helped you on the farm, Brad? What does it save you?
The time picking up sticks. We would just sow around them. Couldn't get all the work done, so sticks are the last thing that gets done, so we would literally drive around them. And now it's, because you don't even have to burn them in the paddock, you can pick them up and take them away quicker again. Brad Ellis, we farm here at Baroque, Victoria, on about 6,000 acres, mixed cropping and sheep, more so cropping. We've always had issues with stick picking, with the cropping side of things, doesn't matter as much with the sheep, but on the cropping side of things, we needed a faster way to clean up the sticks and the branches. We looked and looked, did our research on what we could get. We wanted a fork that could push, grab and carry. We thought this Rata looked fantastic. Highly recommend it, especially if you want it custom made, custom size, custom width times. Very easy to deal with. Yeah, highly recommend it. The first fork we got nearly exactly 12 months ago. Went straight on the loader, and I think it was just under 200 hours before the crop was put in, purely on sticks. So the jobs you find for it keeps getting used more and more. And coupled to the telehandler, we think it's even better again for reach, manoeuvrability, all those things, but just the two together, it's excellent. Definitely clean up fence lines with it. Yeah, you can pluck all the posts up, push the whole lot up if you want, obviously. There's just uses all the time, picking up concrete, stuff you couldn't lift manually, you just pick up anything you can think of.
Was it hard dealing with Rata?
No, it was great dealing with Rata. For the second fork, we thought, I wonder if it's possible to customise the fork. Didn't think they would, but we thought we'd ask the question. So we rang up, can we do this, can we do this? And the answer was not a problem, which was fantastic. Next thing, we got the email of the new drawings. I think we made another couple of little changes again, and yeah, ordered it.
Definitely done your apprenticeship.
Better driver than actor. My brother used it at another property to do the same thing, and he wouldn't let me have it back, so we had to order another one, but we thought we might improve it a little bit just to our liking, and we got it made a little bit bigger. Couple of mod cons done with no holes cut in the centre section so that we didn't do any damage to the loader, and some little stands put on the back of it to stand it up wherever we want to take it off.
This is ready to go, hey?
Oh, goodness.